Hello, it's Abby from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Tiguan 1.5 TSI 150 PS, and it currently has around 7,509 miles on the clock. And it comes painted in the stunning Nightshade blue finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with the VW badge detail that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And here are our wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the car. And as we access the boot, you'll notice a fantastic and spacious boot size, large and to fit stuff like shopping bags, prams, or even a suitcase. Following on, we can see this Tiguan really has some lovely and well-maintained interior. As you can see, the ISO fixed points, cup holders and armrests at the back, which makes this car perfect for families. And as we access the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car full of fantastic features. And around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit, with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have automatic headlights there, showing the O's in the correct times, alongside them the controls on the driver's door handle. Once this fantastic car comes to life, we can now gain access to a dashboard display, where we can view key information here like car mileage whilst on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring the front assist, which warns the driver of impending collisions. Over to the infotainment screen for a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay Now Mirror Link, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and navigation. Speaking about navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your suited destination on the best possible route, and it will boost your confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when travelling. And finally, with this car, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the sensors ensure safety, especially manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight.